Jesse, I've mounted a servo on the base of the quad, as you can see. It's a frame and it's got a release pin mounted on the control of the servo. As you can see, when the servo pulls, the release pin will let go of the rubber band. Currently I have a weight tied to it. I've programmed the servo with the trainer button, so a one-time hit, and the rubber band on the shaft there that you see is designed to snap the pin out of the way, so if I hit the button again it doesn't just try to hit this platform and push the platform apart. Don't ask me how I know that. Right? Is that when I push the trainer switch, it should cycle the servo, and it did. Okay, here we go.